welcome to my side of the room. There is an amazing nail artist. Sveta Sanders is her name. And I just saw one of her nail designs and I want to try and recreate it. So I'm going to be using Halataco products. So I've got See Y'all Later Chai, Smoke Show, and Frozen Bananas. Let's see. I'm not going to show you her version just because, well, Ethan might put the picture in, but I don't know if he will or not. But mine will probably not look like that. So let me get my nails prepped. I'm going to go with Peely base coat and smoothing base coat. And then we'll get started on the actual design. Okay, we're going to go with black and black. And then nude, nude, and nude. I really like the Smoke Show with the huge glitters in it. There's squares and triangles. It's way different. And then all the hollow. And then all the silver sparklies. It's amazing. And I haven't gotten rid of my rainbows from the other day's manicure. I haven't used this one in a while. Okay, one coat. Let's wait for that. Let me clean that up and wait for it to dry. Okay, 2 coats, everybody. Let it dry, and then we'll start decorating. Okay, so this is Smoke Show. This is Smoke Show with everything taco on top of it. So I think we're going that route. And then, because I'm not going to do any designs on the thumbs, let's everything taco the thumb. All right. Time to start with the design. Yikes. Okay, let's give this a try. Sorry, did not mean to bump the camera. Brush. Oh, I just gooped up my other hand. Okay. Okay. Okay, so far so good. It's Okay, that's what I wanted. All right, now comes the hard one. Eh. I don't have a lot of room to maneuver because of where I've got the camera. Okay. Okay. All right, so far, not horrific. This one could be a little smoother. Okay, not the world's greatest, but not bad. Okay. Oh God, I have to do the other hand. All right. Yikes. You know what? I'm going to hold off on that. And I'm going to do the dots on this one. And I hope frozen bananas works the way I want it to. I hope it's got enough glitter. Okay, here goes. Okay, I need a smaller one. Just a little bit more. I need like one or two tiny little drops. There. 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 Well, that looked a lot better when she did it. Not horrific. Once it dries and I can top coat it. Not horrific. We'll see. Hers looks so much better than mine. Okay, I don't think that's too bad. Oh, sorry, hit the cord again. Okay. I don't think that's so bad. I think that's kind of cool. Okay. This one's a little plain. Because I'm afraid to do the brush on those middle two fingers because I don't know that I'm going to be able to get lines even half as good as this. I really like that. Hers look better. Her dots were much more uniform than mine. But I like it. All right, I'm going to try something, and Ethan may have to mute this because the dogs are playing. Okay. Maybe? I don't know. Maybe. We'll have to see how it looks when it's dried. Okay. I added some of the gold on the side of that. I think I like it. It's hard to tell. Let's look what we got here. They're definitely sparkly. I like them. Yeah, they're temporary. It doesn't really matter. I have to work on my dotting. Now that I can use a long, what is this called? One of these doodads. Now that I'm able to use a long striping brush fairly well. I mean, that came out better than this did, but I did use it. Now I got to work on perfecting my dots. And looking back at her design, it was actually some black things and black lines and then some gold lines. I just did more dots. It's fine. It's fine. We'll see. We'll see what the girls at work say. Okay, well, that was it for tonight. It's basically bedtime. The dogs are chewing on stuff under the desk, so you're welcome for that. And I will see you in a few days. Bye-bye.